Greg from Cyprus has a question about door refinishing.
His door is under attack.
Shoot it!
No, not like that. Greg writes, my 8-year-old exterior door gets direct sunlight in the afternoon. It was restained a couple years ago, but now needs a little refreshing, he says, though I don't think it needs to be restained again. So he's kind of in the middle there. And so Greg wants to know, what would you recommend?
This is a great question because a lot of people are going to have their doors redone. When you do, you're going to have maybe a polyurethane or whatever finish they put on, a spar varnish. I don't know what they're going to use. Usually it's
spar varnish?
Spar, yeah. But usually it's a urethane.
I'm assuming it's not that kind of spar.
Keep a can of the same product at your house because every 5, 6, 7 years, what you can do is wash your door down before it starts to turn and just give it one coat. The reason I say keep a can is because they want to be compatible. And so you want to use the same product. So don't be afraid to keep it in your garage for a while. It'll be fine. When you store a can of anything, paint, varnish, polyurethane, whatever, make sure it's sealed tight and then turn it over. And it'll last a lot longer because air won't get in through that little tiny crack and start to harden it up. And it'll last a long time. That's the key to storing paint is by turning it upside down with the top on very well.
Yeah, just
Okay, I just want to... I took what Tom told me to do.
The whole closet is blue now.
But you can go ahead and clean it and put a coat on, and it'll look great. But it's time for you to do exactly that. Hopefully you remember the product you used.
There you go. That's your to-do list. Mm-hmm. Okay, you want to paint it, store it upside down. Then you want to send us more questions at HomeShowRadio.com. You want to watch these videos over here, and you want to subscribe to our channel. Got it?